Okay, could you read? I probably didn't have time to read.
If our hands are unsanitized after using the bathroom or working in the garden or whatnot, are we allowed to wash our hands with soap before washing them with Yadayim, or do we wash with soap after? Do we walk out of the bathroom to say the blessing, then walk back in to dry our hands? Or do we always dry our hands outside the bathroom? The same question, before we eat challah and our hands are dirty, is if it's okay to wash with soap before or after?
Okay, so there is. Thank you very much, Josh. There are actually a few questions, as you heard. It's a few questions in one. So first of all, if you have dirty hands, so it's proper. Yeah, it's proper to wash the hands first with the soap, and then some people dry them completely, and then pour water twice. Okay, you can do that, but some people you can just wash. They now the hands are impure. They're impure for sure. Because why? Because they were impure, and now you wash the hands, and you did not purify. They're still impure. They clean physically, but they impure spiritually, right? So now you wash. After that, you wash like twice on the right and twice on the left, and you're ready for Netilas Yadayim. About it's proper if possible for Netilas Yadayim, as our sages say, not to wash in a bathroom. For after the bathroom, there is no problem. You can wash after the bath. If you have option like to wash it in the kitchen, for example, if you have, it's preferable. If not, again, no problem. So after the fact, you wash it in a bathroom, but you cannot say the blessing in the bathroom. So what do we do, right? What do we do? So we wash in the bathroom, take our towel outside the bathroom, and then you say the blessing. That's it. So we say the blessing, and then we wipe our hands. That was actually, it's very good point, because when we wash for after the bathroom, so we first dry our hands, then we go outside. If you have towels inside, so you dry like hands in the bathroom, you go outside and you say the blessing. Okay, because the reason is, just as I always try to give a big picture, the washing of the hands are not like saying of the blessing is not strictly connected to the washing of the hands. So there is okay, you can still say the blessing. It's not proper maybe to say, well your hands are impure, but after the fact you can wipe on your clothing or something on piece of some not on your clothing, but on a napkin or something, and you can say the blessing anyway. Okay, so I think that's what he said. Garden soil, just so you know, it does not make hands impure. Just so you know, dirt and spiritual impurity is not. It's not the same. So we don't have to like wash after that, unless you know that you touch some places on your body that are usually covered. You touch your shoes. Otherwise, your hands, like if you were paying attention to your hands, they did not become impure. So dirt and impurity is two different things. As my Chavrusa for many years, he always say he's like to joke. So he's one of the jokes of the Pesach. So he said, I always remind my wife, that dirt is not chometz and husband is not dirt. So people on the Pesach, especially women, but because of the ignorant men, that's my explanation. No, they do not learn the laws of Pesach. They do not learn what is they supposed to clean or not, and they try to clean all of the dirty spots in the house. They try to clean. Is it necessary? No. As I said, you say 90% of maybe more, I would say, of cleaning people do on Pesach are not necessary. I mean, if you want to clean the house, that's one thing, but don't call it a big mitzvah because it's not. You understand? So dirt is not chometz.